By a branch I got hit and fell in a pit. That's how I got covered in grit.
Bunny, you just made a rhyme.
Yes, I used all the it words.
The it words?
Yes, come, I'll teach you how to make it words. Say this word for me, Jumpy.
This word is it. It.
Okay, now let's make some it words. I have picked the letter P. P says P.
I have the word it.
Now let's blend their sounds. P.
It.
P.
It. Pit. We made the word pit.
Yes, we did. And the word pit ends with it. So, it's an it word.
Now I know what it words are. Let's make some more. I have picked the letter S. S says S.
I have the word it. Now let's blend their sounds.
S.
It.
S.
It.
Sit. We made the word sit.
I want to sit.
Isn't this great? We are making new words. Now, it's your turn to make some new it words.
Here comes your letter. It's the letter F. I have placed it next to it. Blend their sounds to make a new word.
F says F, and this word is it. Now let's blend the two sounds. It, fit. Rory is so fit. Let's make one more it word. I have picked the letter B and have placed it next to the word it. Blend their sounds and say the word.
B says B. And this word is it. B, it, bit. I want a bit of milk.
Here you go, Bunny. I hope you enjoyed building it words. Now Bunny will say the it rhyme.
By a branch I got hit and fell in a pit. That's how I got covered in grit.